for 34, if you want to solve for a system and they give you the entire ordered pair, both the x and the y, you could take the x and y coordinates and plug them in if you forget how to solve by substitution or elimination. Meaning I could take 5 and plug it in right here. 3 times 5 is 15. I could plug 2 and plug it in for y right here. Negative 2 times positive 2 is 4, so minus 4. Does that equal 11? And yes, it does. Then you could take 5, and now it has to work for both. So you take 5, plug it in here. That's negative 5. Take 2 and plug it in here. 6 times 2 is 12. Negative 5 plus 12, does that equal right here 7? And yes, that also does. Well, by golly, A is the answer. Now, let's say we want to solve it, though, by elimination or substitution. I'm here, I'm going to do elimination. I'm going to multiply this second equation by 3, so we get negative 3x. So multiply by 3 here for second equation, you get negative 3x. Multiply the 3 with the 6y, you get 18y. And multiply the 3 with 7, you get 21. So now this equation is gone. And we're going to combine here, the x's cancel. When you combine, negative 2y plus 18 is 16y. 11 and 21 equals 32 when you combine them. And you divide by 16, y equals 2. So if y equals 2, here I see a 2. And then I plug 2 in for y, and I can plug it in right here, or in the other equation, doesn't matter. If we plug it here, negative x plus 12. Now, how am I getting 12? Well, I'm plugging 2 in for y. 6 times 2 is 12, equals 7. And then I subtract 12 on each side, so negative x equals negative 5. And then if you have that, you can just divide by negative 1 on each side, and x will equal positive 5. Or just think about it, you just got to switch the sign and everything. And so A is your answer.